Yeah, I've been patient, I've been locked in on the go. Let the setup come to me, that's the only way I roll. Never chase, never fold, keep it chill, keep control. Got that process in my veins, let the profits take a stroll. Woke up charts glowing like they know me well. Discipline a crown, yeah, I wear it proud. River keep flowing, I just follow the route. Not the same man daily, yeah, I'm leveling out. Treat the morning like a moment I've been built for. Wrist tight, mind calm, that's a real score. Everybody wanna flex what they think they know, but the river doesn't brag, man, it just shapes stone. If it's not my setup, I don't touch it, let it pass. Every force trade ends with me looking back. So I breathe in, breathe out, let the market do its dance. And the patience that I practice turn the future to my hands. Ain't the same as last week, whole new mind. Water in the groove, yeah, I flow in my time. Let the fear fade out, let the greed decline. I'm aligned with the grind, stay refined in the climb. Yeah, I've been patient, I've been go. Let the setup come to me, that's the only way I roll. Never chase, never fold, keep it chill, keep control. Got that process in my veins, let the profits take a stroll. Woke up charts glowing like they know me well. Discipline a crown, yeah, I wear it proud. River keep flowing, I just follow the route. Not the same man daily, yeah, I'm leveling out. Slow up, slow up, let the noise blow up. I don't fold up. Wave ride, same tide, every sunrise. Give me new eyes. Stone grind, long time, water carved lines. If you show up, no rush, no clutch, patience be the code that I go by. I don't chase wins, I chase discipline. Let tomorrow be tomorrow, I just settle in. Every loss is just a lesson that'll tighten my spin. Every candle on the chart make me better again. Yeah, I've been
Yo, what up? Good morning. Welcome to the stream. Happy, is today Thursday? Damn. All right. Happy Thursday. How you guys doing? Hope you are well. Miss K, what's going on? We live to be great. I don't know about that. Strega Heart, how you doing? Tom, what's going on? Sailing Nomad. Is Lucid Flex a 1-day pass and then 5 days of payout? No, that's it's gonna be a 2-day pass at minimum and then a 5-day trade to payout. Lucid Pro will be the 1-day pass if you want that one. Sobi T-Rex, how you doing? Ken, what's going on with you? Ronald Hall, how you doing? 30, MD30, good morning. Miguel, what up? Grizz, how you doing? 007, what's going on? Digital Nukes, buffering. Uh-oh. Travis, what's up? Morning, I'm a hedge fund manager. The market is going up, down, up, down today. You're welcome, idiot. Thank you for your service. Osiris, what's going on? Jay Legendary, what's up? Eddie, good morning. How you doing? Lee, I'm good, thank you. How are you? Verona, what's up? Tomas, Lee, bullshit, Grizz. Yeah, me too. I mean, kind of hard not to. Just, you know, if you look at the 2 hour, when we probed lower and buying up there. We got some nice demand zones lower on this after that grind yesterday. So yeah, I mean, I think ideally 8:30s. Oh, market's open, by the way. 8:30s on up to
ready to go.
8:80s. I think would be an interesting spot to watch for longs. I didn't do the volume profile yet. Let me go ahead and do that. Just get in the habit of getting that on the chart. Where are we? For whatever reason, does any Motivate users use like the vertical lines for sessions? So I have like the they have like the session open. I used to have like a green line where New York opens. It doesn't turn on anymore. Down to 27K here. All right. Where did volume profile go off my charts? I don't even see it on there. Why are these hidden? That's so weird. What's going on? Oh. Because stupid. Okay, I'm good. I'm good. Sorry. Where are we? Move down into VWAP here. Oh, look at that divergence, as usual. Eddie, you already got refunded? Is that Lucid Flex? What, did you pass those in 24 hours? You mad lad? Can't wait to buy Eddie's course. So 30-minute demand here. Pretty good spot, pretty good zone. We bounce here, what, 4 times now? 5 times? Nice job, Eddie. Wow. Love to see it, dude. Emring, what's up? Good morning. How you doing? Here's what I don't like about the straight to funded accounts that I'm trading. Like, so I got the Lightning Fund on Tradeify. I usually don't trade these, and one of the reasons is I've been kind of treading water here. Green day, red day, green day, whatever. I'm down 500, 420 from the starting balance. I still have to take base hits. You know, I can't, you know, if the price action is awesome, I can't just run up a nice day. You know, I got to stay within, you know, around $600 mark. So that's one of the reasons why I don't really like it, because it can feel hard to get going on them. You know what I mean? So why am I trading it? Well, I'm a little tired of the churn of the evals to activate, to do this, do that, and I kind of just like let's just get right into it. Yeah, exactly. If you take a big loss and straight to funded, you're in a bad spot. Yeah, absolutely. It's like not even worth. It's like pretty much not worth trading. You have 10 straight to funded accounts. Do you feel that same way though? And like 10 of them, that is really expensive. Took you 2 months to get payout on your... So you're just really patient. I like that, though. Really patient. Slow is smooth, smooth is fast, right? That's what they say. Slow is slow, fast is fast, and smooth is smooth. All right. What's up, Jake? How you doing, man? The cherished VWAP open. Yeah, oh boy. Gotta love that. Yeah, dude. Riley, I agree. Prop are mentally exhausting. 100% agree with that. Oh, boy. All right. Lee, you're gonna take a small break. Oh, before trading. Gotcha. Yeah, Jasper, I'd definitely lean on the long side as well. I don't mind that 27K hold there, even though we dipped 40 points underneath it. I think it's looking pretty good. And sitting long since what? 675? I don't know what you're saying, Grizz. What? How long have you been sitting long for? That means less to me. 27,000. Why don't you just say 06? That makes that easier to understand. I was like, at first I was like, is he trying to say like a time? There's no 75 on the clock. I should give you more credit than that. Sorry. Nice scalp there, Jasper. I was in a similar trade as you on these top step evals. Took profit at the same spot. Up 600 on those. One more day for a payout, Jasper. Nice, man. You got this. Is it going to be a max payout? if you get a base hit tomorrow, or would you need more than a base hit to get a max payout? What's up, Evan? How you doing, man? You doing some more day trading yet? Or are you still just swinging some, what was it, credit spreads or something? Planning for $1,200 payout times 5. Nice. Well, can blast higher here. Looks we're sure trying to. Looks like ES is maybe gonna help give us that pop there. We'll see. Nice job, Byron. It's really nice hitting your target in Globex. Did you do it in Globex? But then it's also, man, when I just lose in Globex too, that kind of hurts. And you start in the day red, I freaking hate that. So I feel so torn on Globex sometimes. Sometimes it's so freaking clean. Other times it feels brutal. I think you just have to trade the right times. Wow. Micros really took a dive there. 0.25. Micros went 20 points under, past where minis went. That's crazy. That'd be really frustrating to be trading the mini chart and get stopped out like that. What is going on here? Oh, is that PMI? I did not even look to see if there was data drops this morning. PMI flash. 54. Forecast was 52.5. So, little EMA hold there. Back up. Go take out them highs. Let's go. Let's go take out them highs. Come on, Sonny. You can do it. Still longer? It's nice. I feel like you're holding trades a lot longer than usual. Usually you're quicker, right? In and out. Momentum. All right. Well, I missed the long after that PMI garbage. Overnight highs. Where are you? 099 3/4 overnight highs. Those are in sights, not too far away now. And PDH above that. Nice trading, Grizz. Little supply zone here, but overnight highs I think will be too tempting. Sweep overnight highs into close yesterday for 106.5. That seems pretty good. There we go. Overnight highs taken. Nice job, Grizz. Day 1 of 5 on Lucid funded. Yeah, I was going to say, what Lucid account makes you trade eval for 5 days? No, very nice start to Lucid funded, man. Well done. Who's triggering my dogs? Can we get PDH there on ES? That's what I want to see. We did sweep overnights, but PDH would be nice. Tom, you have everything maxed out, passed almost everything, and up against consistency rules on other accounts. Well done. My dog's read some unfortunate tweets. Like, what do you mean I have a smashed in face? Look at these, a lot of orders there. Both sides hitting the bid and the ask. $952 lots. They're hitting the bid. Wow. Interesting. Very interesting. You're 4 points away from daily loss last night. but it never went over 98. Then 8 p.m. Open dumped 100 points and got him funded. Don't you love those from the brink of death? Bringing it back. Those are always fun. Nicely done. And also the opposite, when you like hit a daily loss limit barely, and then it goes in your direction, would have been a very nice trade. Those drive me nuts. All right, so nice drop there, but recovered pretty nicely so far. Jake says, I remember the first time I heard the term bid ask. I thought homie said big ass spread. I was like, whoa, buddy. I thought you said you're trading the markets. Sounds like something completely different. And I'm here for it. That's Jake's words, verbatim. Not me. 75 short, Jasper. All right, let's see if that plays out. I don't like how we got that drop and how quickly we recovered it, though. We'll see. PDH next. Yeah, I mean, it is. Look, ES is not far from that. Let's see. Let's see if Jasper can get paid. Jasper can get paid first. I mean, short. Any trades yet? Nah, not on here. Isaac, you took a stab and bought the bottom of the knife, long ES. Well, nicely done, I guess. I mean, should be at least maybe at break even or something. I mean, good entry is a good entry. I think Jasper is short 75, which is a good entry. Yesterday's value area high. Looking for a good spot to get long, honestly. Yeah, Grizz, I agree with you. Nice trade, Jasper. I'm gonna take a stab on a long here. All right, Byron, I'll check out that song. I might kill this one actually. I'm gonna hop out there. I think we're still gonna move lower here. Yeah, Asia High and the 100 level, yep. So it was a great level there, great target. All right, Froggy, we'll catch you later, man. Whenever I watch you buy highs and sell lows, are you always trying to trade breakouts? I do like trading breakouts. But also it depends on your definition, right? So I just bought 30s. That's not the high, so... That was just trying to buy a pullback there. Looking for previous day high. I don't know if there's news. Is there news? We have... Let's see. Hang on. No more red folder news. Here's VWAP. $27K. Working our way through VWAP. ES still has a little bit to go. 7 points for its VWAP to hit. Got a little bit of 30-minute demand zone here on NAS. What's my strategy / edge? My strategy, I mean, I'm a price action scalper for the most part. Use a little bit of order flow. Use supply and demand key levels. There's certain things I look at for breakouts, and so when I have enough pieces of that aligning, I usually try to take it. Breakouts and breakdowns. Yeah, it's a little bit. It's a deeper pullback than you'd want for that PDH to hit soon. So down below, I like again. I mentioned this earlier, but down the 800s there's some good levels there, but otherwise. I do like 930s. 930s look pretty good. All right, I'm in short now. There we go. That's the story of the shorts. That is perfectly illustrates how it felt to be a short lately. You can see, you know, we've wicked here several times, so the fact that we're doing that again shouldn't be too surprising. But I mean, yeah, this might get me here. Don't want to get top ticked out. I don't want to risk too much here, just because it is a good bounce spot. But my stops have been needing more room lately, so trying to give it the room that hopefully it requires. Stopped. Looks like some sellers may have gotten trapped on there. Yeah, you agree. Nice job, Grizz. Enjoy the gym. Post a photo of you in your Lambo later, please. Grizz going to the gym, trying to get better price action, exactly. Do a poll. What color is Grizz's Lambo? He seems like he would drive a red Lambo. Right? Yellow, probably, he says? Okay. Fuchsia. Like iridescent. If I drive a Lambo, I want to make sure you know I'm driving a Lambo. I would be able to hear you coming. Blasting some shitty music, revving your engine. Oh, I hear some EDM. Here comes Grizz. Waking up the whole neighborhood. On his way to go curl 20-pound dumbbells. You knew a dude who had a yellow car, Canary Yellow? See, I I got the yellow guitar, which I love. But for cars, I don't know, I kind of just want to blend in. All right, VWAP here. Pick a direction, any direction. That guitar is a signature Strat. It's a Tom DeLonge signature Strat, graffiti yellow. I've had that since I was like 15 years old. All right, VWAP holding here, high or low. See if we can make a move. All right, I'm in long. What'd you say, Grizz? Oh, sorry. Picture this. Dan and me driving down PCH shirtless on our way to the beach. Who's stopping us? I do love Southern California. Taking up both lanes on PCH, yeah. And driving slow. Keeping pace at 30 miles an hour. Oh, man. What do you have against lids? What does that mean? I mean, there's a few things I don't like about this long other than the fact that I'm in drawdown. But ES is, I don't know. It's been kind of holding up here, all right? Do we just have some large orders hit? No, just 100 something. I wouldn't be surprised if we flush, honestly. You're long too? I mean, I'm about to stop out as a problem. Oh, you have the same mug. Do you have a one option mug though? The reason why I don't put a lid on it is because then it stays hot too long and then it's like harder to drink. I just like to drink it all within like an hour. Problem is no lid, it gets a little gets cold a little fast, but then the lid it stays hot too long. So I need like the Goldilocks edition where it's just right. Should be a stop out. I'm feeling a little frustrated with trading lately. I mean, Tuesday I think was nice, but that was like the only day I think I traded well. Still looks like it's going to get me here. It looks like ES might roll over and tag me out as we continue dropping. I mean, I hope I'm wrong. I hope we hold VWAP here. Nah, that was on an eval though, Byron. It doesn't really matter. I'm just sick. I'm honestly sick of fucking trading. I'm sick of it. This month it's just been hard. It's not even fun. What the fuck is ES doing here? Some low volume piece of shit. Fucking move, bitch. God damn. Oh man, someone spank ES. Tell it it's been a bad boy. Of course. Yeah, of fucking course, bro. Jeez. Alright, Cloudsy, what's your breaker setup? Is that ORB or something? Or is that like ICT breaker terminology? So 82 exit, and then we tag down to 75. Okay. That's just the way the cookie crumbles sometimes. Let's go see PDH, yeah. ES wants to. Naz is a little uncertain. You're so wrong this week to a point where you didn't want to wake up to trade because you knew you were going to lose. I understand that for sure, but it's also not the right mindset to be in. But I totally relate to that. Like, the past doesn't matter, you know? You just have to live in the moment. Let all the other stuff, you know, let it all go to the side. That already, past doesn't exist. Doesn't matter. What are you short or long? I missed. You're long, Jasper. Okay. Yeah, I know. What is up with that area, Eddie? 25s. See you, Tom. All right, here's 27K. Now, is this another bounce down here? Here's VIX. Not doing a whole lot. Like a bounce down here to me looks pretty good, just given what ES is doing. ES kind of holding up pretty good. Now it's going to keep revisiting this area, but as long as it can bounce at this area, ES is going to continue grinding higher and yada yada. Right now it's rejecting VWAP though, so heads up. I know sometimes ES is so much better. Anything in particular you're looking for other than price action? I'm looking for like anomalies in the heat map here. You can kind of see if buyers are getting accumulated, sellers are getting accumulated. See if anyone's getting trapped. All right. VIX is trying to drop here. ES is trying to pop. Not very hard, but it's trying. Might take a little bit longer of back and forth garbage until we do something. Would you increase your daily loss limit for the day on the Tradify account? Well, I haven't been trading well at all. I've been just wrong every time. So I'm not sure I deserve to increase it. Drawdown left on Tradify is $900. Now they only give you $2,000 a drawdown. Well, it's actually possible my drawdown's less. Let me pull it up. Because I actually did go above 50K. So yeah, my drawdown's actually probably coming up close here. What are you yelling about PDH for, Eddie? Yeah, this is a 50K. Yeah. Hang on. Oh, 597 is my drawdown. So I only have a couple $100. Have you sat down and made statistics on levels and setups? No, I have not stuck with it, but I reactivated TradeZella and I'm going to try to become a little bit more disciplined with that stuff. Because that would help me. Label each thing a setup, you know. See how well each one does. See which one I should cut. Help me be a little bit more disciplined. Man, I hate this divergence here. ES, you know, longs slowly paying. NASDAQ probably not paying you. Honestly, this might be the time we pop it, right? Pop 25s. ES looks like it wants to go for those highs. I feel like the obvious, I mean, looking play is just short here. I feel like if I do that, we're just gonna pop it. This feels like that would happen to me. Maybe buy the loan of the range. I know, I considered that. In order to become a better range trader, you have to trade the range. Believe it or not. Eddie, do you not remember what happened last time you told me to trade minis? Fucking cooked myself. It does look good though, upside wise. I'm gonna try it here, even though it's a terrible location. I'm just banking on us popping in, that's all. VIX is making new lows, one piece crossing over. I think we can make it happen. I think I need the loss limit because I'll just blow the account if I'm wrong. Yeah, man. Does it need to pull back one more time? I want to. This should finish out the account here. VWAP hold. Can it hold for me here? Pop the highs. Did y'all hear Eddie's gonna be the godfather of my kid? Tell Eddie congratulations. Does your fiance know that you're having a kid, Chris? This price action's playing with me again. No kidding. Look, I knew the entry was trash, but it's really highlighting how trash it is by pulling back like that on me. Yeah, I get it. You don't have to rub it in, NASDAQ. Need VWAP to hold. This is the real VWAP down here. 99 or so, 27K. So VWAP held. I might be staying alive here. How do I tell which VWAP's the real VWAP? Because it's Motive Wave. That's when I always trade. The web-based browser ones you always have to zoom back out, you know. We can see we held it perfectly. This is a straight to funded account. Yeah, it's almost gone though. Zachary, what up? Doing all right, man. Good to see you back in chat. Hope you are doing great. Why buy? Is sell. Just drag a volume profile and you'll see. You mean that volume profile? Well, I have reason to believe it's not a sell. But what's great about trading is we could see things two different ways, and that's just fine. And honestly, we could both even make money, depending on our parameters of our trade. So we don't have to be mad if I'm trading opposite what you think. That's fine. You don't have to. It's not a big deal, you know. But if you look at ES ES has just been kind of grinding higher, holding value, whereas NASDAQ has been chopping around VWAP, which is where we opened. We opened at VWAP. And VIX is dropping, which is good. We broke out at 25s, so I think my long is, I think it makes sense. So that's my story. A lot of people sitting in longs finally getting paid. It's nice. That VWAP hold there was really like the last, not the last lifeline, but that's what I really wanted to see for that breakout to happen. This long is okay. I'm up, I don't know, right now 15 points. Again, the entry was so shit. I could enter at 20. I could enter 26 points lower had I just waited a little bit. But again, I do normally. I mean, I really enjoy trading breakouts, and sometimes I time them very well. Other times, I'm too early and I get stopped out, or I just have to deal with some drawdown. Burley, you don't know if you had a nice win this month, Shambles? Well, it's not just you, at least. You know, maybe that makes you feel the mildest bit better, that it's just been difficult for a lot of people, myself included. Nice, I was wrong. I'm mad props, dude. No one ever says they're wrong, so I appreciate that, you know? I mean, honestly, it's refreshing. No one likes to say they're wrong, so props to you for saying that. Most people, they'll say something that they're wrong, they just kind of go back into the bushes like Homer Simpson. But yeah, refreshing to hear that. I mean, that's cool. I mean, we're all wrong when we trade sometimes. It's fine. It's just the nature of the beast. So it's all good though. I mean, I'm wrong all the freaking time. Publicly on here, you know. It's not great, but you're never wrong, Byron. You're just pre-right. I like that. That's funny. Gotta be honest with myself if I want to make money. That's true. Why are we yelling? I don't know, but it feels kind of good. I'm considering the ad here, but Honestly, a retest of this range top would be better. We take similar trades sometimes, you shouldn't be far off. I want me some Jasper payouts. It looks like we might push here. I hate it when join bid doesn't get you in. You're at 66% win rate. Say your win rate's a bit higher than mine. Generally speaking. I'm a little under 60% usually. Between 50, 58. What's wrong with Lucid Digital Nukes? Let's tune back in here with VIX. See how VIX is dropping like that. I think ES can get the move here. Past the eval, but the profit target keeps moving up. So like you're not able to activate. If you like you're past the consistency or whatever, if you reach out to support, you can ask them like how much do I need to lose in order to pass, and they'll tell you. I had a similar issue. I had to get into this little sweet spot. There's probably like a $20 sweet spot that I needed to get in to pass. And I eventually did it, and I had to wait for. I wasn't able to do it. I wasn't able to activate real time like you normally can, for whatever reason. Back to my entry there. The problem is, here's the retest of the range top like I wanted, and so that's why I'm not stopping out on this trade. I need to allow it to retest that if it's reasonable. They told you to stop trading and trade the next session. Ask again. Get a different support person. Worst part about me, says Jake, I win 85% of my trades, but I'm break even on the year. Massive losses, aka eating like a bird, shitting like an elephant. Dang, dude. Might get stopped out. Yeah, that's alright. But I can't, in good faith, stop out there. It doesn't really, like, this is the area where I said the pullback is good, makes sense. So I have to let it. Eddie, you went to make coffee. That's a clear sign of shorts. If I had known you would have done that, I would have hopped out of my trade. It's the Eddie making coffee indicator. My stop is now 017, so 17 here on trade C. I moved my stop because I let it retest, and now, look, if we can wick through here again, but if we do make a new low, I just want to be out. So I'm allowing it to retest, which I let it retest, and now that it retested, okay. If we are actually going to move lower to VWAP, then I do want to be out of this. That's my thought process there. Do you invest at all or swing trade? I don't swing trade much anymore. Not in this environment anyways. I have a buy and hold portfolio that I don't really bother with anymore. I don't touch. Look at ES here. Might be setting up for a knife, or maybe we can recover and get back up. VIX is still low. We'll see what happens. A little 50-50 right now, in my opinion. So I did stop out. What's up, Parshab? Doing fine, thanks. How are you? Yeah, lots of chop here. I mean, ES was a bit cleaner. Even ES is not. It's not like, it's just like a slow kind of grind up there. It's not really that fun. But we're back to VWAP on Nasdaq, so I'm out of that one. Again, if if I had gotten in at 27K on TradeC there, where this right, if I waited for this pullback to view up there and got in, then I'd be up like almost 60 points, and I don't know. Maybe it's a different story. Maybe it's ends up being a break-even stop out, or whatever. But shoulda, woulda, coulda. Just a little bit more patient on the entries would be nice. Break even on the day, not bad. Can't be too upset with break even on the day. What was a VWAP open? And we got what VWAP opens give a lot of times, which is VWAP chop. Did hold 27K again. What's up, Justine? How you doing? Parshab started recording your screen. Good idea. I think everyone should do that. Record your trades. You can narrate it to yourself. Video journal kind of thing. I know it wasn't the VWAP open on ES, which just kind of gives you an idea of the divergence, but that was a really clean tap of view up there at 9 a.m. Just a thing of beauty. You have a pen and journal and write things while trading? Interesting. How's it going this morning? I woke up late. If you trade NASDAQ, it's pretty choppy. We had a VWAP open, as I mentioned, so we had VWAP chop here. So nothing too clean, really, except for the overnight high sweep. That was perfect. And then rejection back down to demand. So that was a clean move there. OBS is around 4.5 gigs for 2 hours. Yeah, and you can always lower. I mean, you could do 1080 or something. Maybe that's 1080. I don't know. No promotion for the course today? What? Uncle Dan's Trendline course? Nah. No, it's not Trade Evade. This is TradeC on the left, and then this is Motive Wave on the right. Oh, it is 1080, 4.5 gigs. I mean, all my live streams are recorded onto my hard drive, so they do take up a lot of space. But yeah, you could upload them to YouTube and then delete them. Well, that's a little annoying there. $80 gigs a month, yeah. Yeah, at least. Yeah, it's a 4 terabyte hard drive, and so far I've used 1.35 terabytes. Here's all my live streams just sitting on it. Most are about 5.5 gigs. Some 6. I don't put it on YouTube because if I want to put it in a video, I don't want to have to like rip it from YouTube. It's kind of a pain in the ass. I mean, well, they already are they already are on YouTube because that's where I'm streaming to. So like they're there if I can't find the real recording, but I do like the real recording. Did you close your trade? Yeah, I got stopped out around 17 there. So it was like a under $100 loss. What month was it when you had almost a month of green days and the top step or something? I don't think I've done almost a month. I mean, I don't think. I did have a nice... maybe I've done like 2 weeks of green. I don't think I've done much more than 2 weeks in a row. I think long is the place to be. This is a tricky spot to get long. VWAP was much cleaner, 27K. Anything closer to 27K was much better. Fortunately, I didn't get in anywhere. That's where I got out, you know. That's why when people say get in where you place your stop loss, I mean that's kind of a good example of that. All right, Nasdaq trying to break. And Kenny, that whole video took 20 minutes to upload a 4.5K video. That's pretty good. When you say 4.5K video, you mean 4.5 gigs, right? Very observant Jake. Yeah, I think I heard that. He has two different colored eyes. Why can't we see your P&L for that? It's just hard to fit it in the screen. Down 779. Because I also like to look at the heat map here. Short the top of the range, possible double top on ES. It is possible. I would rather I'd rather long a pullback than short it, to be honest, because it does seem like the move is higher here. So I'd rather look for a spot to get long. But if you're careful, you could maybe carve out both ways here. Short down to whatever this. We have like this pretty clear, you know, uptrend. You know, short down to this level, maybe 165 or 71.65 or so, maybe. But again, I'd rather stay on the long side. Trying here. ES is a lot stronger as rotation from growth to value today, software to hardware. There we go, going for it. What a nightmare, says Brad. Just blew an eval after taking 8 wins today. Oh man. 3 trades short at top, then long at top, and all failed on the trendline breakout. Now it's pushing out, but not after taking my stops. Oh man. It is tough. Sorry to hear that, Brad. Nasdaq making a play for it. It's finally starting to break here. Dan, why'd you make me exit my longs? I was saying long side's the side to be on. This week we are trading in last week's LVN on ES. Fun. In long. Nice. I'm long too. I'm long on these top step evals. Looking for the pass here. Moved to 103.25. Give me the pass on 5 50Ks. I might just kind of like YOLO this one here. Oh, 3.25. Come on. That's just ticking new highs. That's all I need to do. Can I ask how you keep an eye on the VIX? It's through Thinkorswim. That's where I get the VIX data. I don't want to pay for it in Thinkorswim. I get it. So /VX is VIX futures. Come on. Give me this dub. I need something to cheer me up. Pass my eval, Dan. You're a better trader than I am. Very close. 6 points. Give me this W, please. There's enough things lining up. I'll show you. So, I mean, it was just VIX, and I'll show you the other thing that you guys know I use. And why I felt confident about longs, even though I did not get the best entry. Just look at the red and blue oscillator here. Well, I'll show you after. But the 1OP was finally crossing up, yeah. And it was taking a while, and that's why I was kind of like, all right. Finally, man. Fuck yeah. 2-day pass on 5 there. So, very good. But yeah, here's what I was talking about. Oh, wait, hang on. Maybe I should have closed out there. Maybe... I don't know, I kind of feel like F it, you know, like... We still have PDH. I kind of feel like this... Again, I can't make too much money, I guess, so... I guess I'm down 782. Okay, I can make PDH here. 34. I don't know. We'll see if this trade plays out. But anyways, 1OP, red and blue oscillators, all you have to pay attention to. So we're kind of chopping around here, and then we start to cross, and I'm like waiting for it to start ticking up, and then it starts ticking up. So I'm like, okay, this plus VIX staying low to me is a long all day kind of thing, or you know, long for the time being. It's stay away from shorts. So now let's see if I can get paid on this one. Thank you. Yeah, that was a nice trade. I just need I need something to kind of boost my spirits because it's just been frustrating. I've been frustrated with my discipline and all this, you know. I had a good February and March, and then this April's just been tough. What is that? Are you talking about the red and blue oscillator? That's the 1OP indicator. You can type in exclamation point indicator. Let's see. You can learn about it. What I like about it is it's a predictive indicator, right? Some indicators are lagging, but the 1OP, I've been using it for years, and you know, it requires interpretation. You can't just, you know, you got to pay attention to price action, of course. You can't just rely on an indicator, but it's a piece of the puzzle. So I'm still in this. Gonna look for PDH here on NAS. See if I can turn this day around. So far, it's looking really good. PDH is looking really good right now. Topping out here, I don't know. You think? I'm not sure if it. I'm not sure it is. I think we're gonna grind to PDH. I feel pretty confident about that. Not even Grizz going to the gym could save this PA? I don't know. I like that move. Felt good about that one. I think he did save it. Let's hold above 100 level. Come on. Oh, ES. I haven't really been looking at ES too much in terms of like if I was trading it. Yeah, I mean, it's a nice move. If we can hold 90 or something, I could add to this actually. I might add to this trade. Alright, I added here. If we get the move to PDH, I'll be sitting pretty again. Jasper, you're in super high. Let's get that PDH. All right, man. Let's go. $95 with 1 minute. Yeah, my average is 94.5 there, so similar. I need ES to hold it. I don't really want it to leak lower like that. I might. I don't know. I'm just gonna try to hold. I'm gonna try to hold here. I think we're good. Q's just made a new all-time high. Okay. Uh-oh. Easy. Easy. Come on. Let me get paid on this one, please. I asked nicely. NASDAQ is immune to my persuasiveness. Well... Is realized P&L for just today or total? It'd be today. Alright, I don't know. This is sketching me out here. Stop just under 27,100. Target's 33.5. Previous day high. All right. Bummer. Got a little bit, but so ES already swept its PDH. So not gonna let NASDAQ do it. Oh. Nice EMA hold there. Should not have moved to break even, chat. Break even's just the death of me. I'm just gonna go with 4 minis here. See if I can guess something. Consolation prize here. No whammies. Let's go. Come on. Tagged out. Remember when I yelled about it an hour ago and you all mocked me? I do remember you yelling about PDH. We were a long way away back then. Gonna pull the trigger on 4 more here. Slap 4 minis like that. Yeah, you know, I need my, I want my consolation prize for not staying in that. No way it's gonna reject right now. No way. I have to go up to 5 minis. I might have to. Wow, just before PDH there. I just activated the top step accounts and just scalped that long on 3 micros. So 155 on the new fundeds. That's something. What do y'all think about the Apex sale going on? What's the sale? I don't even know about it. Is it just the regular sale? Up to 90% off. They just keep changing their original price, so it just depends on what the original price is set to. Like a 50-day EOD. It's costing $35. Yeah, that's pretty standard, I think, now. The activation fee is $119, though. So, you gotta watch out for that. Let's try this 80-20 crap Matt's always talking about. The magical 80s, magical 20s. Huh. Oh, the PA fee is only $69? Oh. That's the intraday? Or is that you? Okay, here. Did I get that email? Is that an email that you got? I didn't get that. Unless my wife deleted it from our business inbox. Yeah, I don't see that deal, but that sounds pretty good. Look how close to PDH. ES is putting in a lower high right now, but I don't know. There still might be some juice left on this bullish cycle. Eddie, are you still holding along for that for actual PDH? Wait, that 7171 in ES, trust me, bro. What are you saying? About to slam 5 minis here. That'd be like instant. What am I doing? That'd be like instant stop out. It's crazy. Like literally, like if I on those top step accounts, if I didn't hit flatten, if I didn't smash flatten, you know, I was up like 170 something dollars in profit. My target was like 33 or 35, I guess. And if I didn't smash flatten right before it dropped, I'd probably still be sitting in this too. But I mean, I'm in the consistency, the 3-day one on top step. Do you still need 5 days of $150? Or I mean, not 5 days. Do you still need any days of $150? Why is my account XXX? Because it's just like a real money account, and I don't know. The broker says to mask your account number when you're streaming. Nope, just every 3 days. Every 3 days you can take half out. That's pretty good. Pretty good deal. You go to your settings, Parshov, and the general, mask account enabled. All right, I'm long here. Let's go get PDH now. Yeah, every once in a while we do stop it right before PDH and reverse. Every once in a while that kind of shit happens too. But yeah, I mean we're just too bullish for whatever reason. I'm not gonna fight it. ES still can go up to all-time highs. There's PDH. All right, I've dug myself out of the hole a little bit being a mad lad. Down 175 on the day now. We did it, all of us together. Happy to have battled through that together, boys. And the 3.5 women in chat, based off statistics. It's like 96.5% male or something in here. All right, so that's PDH swept. 1LP might be heading down here, which, you know, again, you got to wait for price action to confirm. But, you know, let's see. We might just be too strong. Might just be grinding up. Just your main settings, Parshav. Just the gear icon. I guess you can't see the gear icon. The main gear icon, mine's at the top here. Gear icon, general. Down at the bottom, the third from the bottom, mask account. You can enable it. What's up, Froggy? How you doing, man? 8:14 on day one of the fund is locked out. Eddie, were you? How many micros were you in long, Eddie? And what? How many points was that? I feel like you're in at most 4 micros, and you just held that for forever, right? Do props get hacked? No, not really. I don't think that's anything to worry about. Grind up. Grind up. Built yourself into 5 in that trade. Well done, Eddie. You're a beast, man. You're becoming just a fucking awesome trader. It's awesome to watch your progression again. We talk about it a lot, but it's very impressive. BPM on the stream, yeah, you know, you'll know if I start being too crazy. Start doing something I shouldn't be doing, trading too large a size or something, my BPM will start to tick higher. Do I have a particular strategy I trade? I mean, it's really just price action. I mean, I would say my, like I'm looking for those key spots, like overnight highs, overnight lows, previous day high, previous day lows. I mean, I'm generally looking for those to get hit more than anything. So I'm either looking for a place to get in long for some, you know, something like PDH or overnight highs, or I'm looking for a place to get short for overnight lows, previous day low. I'll play VWAP bounces. I'll play break and retests. You know, if everything's bullish, you know, I wouldn't mind getting long on a break and retest or short. Break and retest to the downside. But I do have a meeting as usual at 10:30 I gotta get to. Nice, Eddie. What do you mean price action? We use order flow, absorption, volume profile levels, VWAP, VIX, delta. Well, I'm not really doing a ton of volume profile levels yet. I got it on there, but I'm not really. And to me, that's key levels. To me, all that's, you're like looking for how price reacts at these key spots, you know? So like VWAP I love, but you still need to read price action to know, to have an idea of, you know, so sometimes I short right above VWAP, you know, and you can't really do that without other points of confluence. So I don't know. I put price action in a large umbrella, but yeah, I mean, there's multiple pieces of the puzzle. I just think about what I rely on the most. And it's not, I could trade without the heat map. I like it, but I could trade without it. But VWAP, I wouldn't want to trade without VWAP. Without being able to know the previous day levels, I wouldn't want to trade without that. Here we go. But yeah, I got to get out of here. Look, my day turned around from shit to, 5 evals activated and $150+ on them. And this account went from about busted to at least there's some $900 to draw down now, and maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll find something else to trade on these, but I don't know. Right now we're just grinding up, so I kind of recovered the session. I feel a little bit better about that. So tomorrow I'm going to end the week strong. Hope you'll join me then. I'll see you guys later. Peace.